Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cancel your TradingView subscription if you no longer want to continue with it. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, log into your TradingView account on the web. The subscription settings can't be fully managed through the mobile app. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Account and Billing or Profile and Settings depending on your version. Then go to the Subscription tab. Here, you'll see your active plan along with the renewal date and payment details. To cancel, click Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts. TradingView will usually ask you to confirm your cancellation and may offer to pause the subscription instead. Once confirmed, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, but you won't be charged for the next cycle. Make sure to check your email for confirmation of the cancellation. If you're subscribed through the App Store, like Google Play or Apple App Store, you'll need to cancel directly through them instead. Open the store, go to your subscriptions, find TradingView, and select Cancel. This stops future charges while keeping your account accessible until the current period ends. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel your TradingView subscription safely and avoid being charged for the next billing cycle. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want more TradingView tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.